Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to activate Windows 10. So first we have to simply go to a browser and in the search bar you have to simply search for the settings. Simply get there and search for settings. Once you see the icon, click onto it and then you have to click on this first option which is the system. As you click onto it, you will see different options on your left side. You have to scroll down to the down and then you will see this option about. You have to click onto it, and once you go there you will see this page. On this page you have to scroll down and you will see this option which is change product key. You have to simply click onto it and there you have to make sure you have the product key, otherwise you would not be able to activate the Windows 10. So simply click onto it and then click onto this option which is the change key and paste your key here. Once you paste it, you go next and then your Windows 10 will get activated. So that's how you will be able to activate your Windows 10. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.